This guide helps you build a practical study plan for the ARDMS Vascular Technology exam using the official blueprint. To earn your registered vascular technologist credential from ARDMS, you must pass 2 exams, Sonography Principles and Instrumentation, or SPI, and Vascular Technology, or VT. You can take them in either order. The most important administrative requirement is the 5-year rule. You must pass both exams within 5 years of each other. The clock starts the day after your first successful exam, so it's critical to plan your target dates for both from the beginning. The Vascular Technology exam is a significant test. ARDMS allocates 3 hours for approximately 170 questions. The format includes both standard multiple-choice items and hotspot questions, where you'll identify a location on an image. The exam is offered year-round. The 2026 fee schedule lists the cost at $300, which includes a $100 non-refundable processing fee. Be sure to check the current ARDMS site for the latest fee information before you decide to apply. An effective study plan follows the official VT content outline. This blueprint shows you exactly where ARDMS places its emphasis. The 2 largest domains account for over half the exam. Pathology, perfusion, and function is the biggest at 32%. Normal anatomy, perfusion, and function is next at 21%. Your study calendar should give these topics the most time, directing your effort to the areas that will impact your score the most. Don't study from a generic list. A structured 8-week plan helps you cover every domain. For weeks 1 and 2, focus on the fundamentals: normal anatomy, perfusion, function, and the basics of Doppler physics. Then, in weeks 3 and 4, dedicate your time to the largest domain, pathology. Practice distinguishing normal from abnormal findings and identifying critical results. Pair this with a review of physiologic examinations, ensuring you can interpret the waveforms and pressure results presented in various clinical scenarios. During weeks 5 and 6, cover the smaller but still important blueprint domains. This includes surgically altered anatomy, like dialysis access, ultrasound-guided procedures, and post-intervention imaging. It's also the time to deliberately review quality assurance, patient safety, and professional communication. Finally, use weeks 7 and 8 for consolidation. Shift from studying single topics to taking timed, mixed practice exams. This builds stamina and reveals any remaining weak areas you need to repair before test day. The VT exam is pass-fail. ARDMS uses a scaled scoring system that ranges from 300 to 700, and a score of 555 or higher is required to pass. This is not a percentage, so don't try to guess how many questions you need to answer correctly. If you don't pass, you can reapply after 3 days, but you must wait 60 days before you can retake the exam. Use this time to review your score report and focus on your weakest domains. Now you have a framework for your ARDMS RVT exam plan. This structure protects your timeline and directs your study hours toward the official blueprint domains. For the complete guide, with details on hotspot questions and links to RDMS resources, visit the full article on our site. You can also start testing your knowledge now with our free RVT practice questions. Click the link in the description to get started.